Hello and welcome to the Rhine Labs Device Programmer Shopping Network. Now, we're just doing this to help out a fellow chip programmer that retired. And he's got some interesting equipment that deserves to be documented and some videos made. And this equipment does not need to be sitting on a shelf gathering dust. It needs to go to some people that can use it. So I will link the description, or I will link the listing in the description below. Okay, so here we have a Turpro 848 DIP 32 8 gang socket adapter. I've already got it screws taken out, so let's show you what's inside. This is a little different than the last one. And this is metal. So they use good quality 3M sockets. These are socketed. You just take the screws out and you can replace them. They're really interesting, well-built socket adapters. System General took a little different approach than a lot of the other manufacturers. But these System General programmers are widely available. You just cannot find the adapters. And the adapters are very, very expensive when you find them. So I will be listing these, and that listing will be in the description. I always put best offer, so if you send an offer, be sure to send a note. And if your offer is acceptable, you might end up owning this. So these are pretty cool adapters. I mean, these programmers are rock solid, reliable. That's why a lot of companies use them. But you don't see much System General anymore. Flip that over the back. You mainly see Zeltec and BP Microsystems, and sometimes you'll see Data IO, but Data IO hasn't been a player for a while. Hopefully, with the new CEO of Data IO, he'll turn the company around and you'll start seeing more Data IO stuff. So, that is the Turpro 848 8D32 gang programming adapter. Link in the description if you want to buy it. Catch y'all later.